welcome to Sweet Southern Living, y'all. Today we're at Pirates Cove RV Resort in Foley, Alabama, and we're going to do a drive-through for you. This is a pretty large resort. It has 132 sites right now, and they are currently working on a second phase, so they'll have over 200 when that's done. They have a ton of amenities that I'm showing here, and we actually did a full review on this park. If you're interested in seeing that, we will put a link right here. But today we're going to drive through, just do kind of a windshield drive through so you can kind of see at eye level what the sights look like. So as you pull in, the first thing you'll notice is that gorgeous pool on the left. I'll show y'all that later. Here on the right is the office, so this is where you would check in. They have a small store in there. They have a few supplies. They sell ice right here. This is where their community center is, and they have a game room in there. You can see on the left here, they do have propane tanks for exchange. They have a nice basketball court over here to the right. Basketball court, and you can see in the background that's where they're doing the second phase. Then over here they have a playground, and the pool area has a nice big fireplace back there with some swinging chairs around it. They have free firewood. They have horseshoes right here. So this begins the sites. You can see they're all on concrete, and they're pretty level sites, and they range in sizes. They have some really large sites that are big enough for a 45-foot rig with 2 vehicles. They're really long. Then they have some that are small. They have one that's only 25 foot, but most of them are pretty large. And if you are booking online, it'll tell you the size of your site, so no worries there. So those are the back ends on the back row, and down there is where the lake is. So here we go. We'll just drive through. Okay guys, so we're coming up on the end of the drive-through. Straight ahead is the pond area, but as you can see, somebody's moving in right now and we certainly don't want to get in their way, so I'll just put a few pictures in to kind of show y'all what that's looking like. So there's just a few sites down on the left. And this area here on the right, this is the dirt work here. This is the second phase that they're working on. So they're doing 70 new sites, and they're doing a new bathhouse with a laundry room. They're doing an indoor pool, which is going to be cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a nice park. We enjoyed our stay, and like I said, we did a full review video. If you're interested, y'all go check that out. And let us know what you thought about this video. If you liked it, we'd really appreciate you giving us a thumbs up, and we would love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see y'all next time.